Hi, so I just want to do a real quick unboxing of my new Galaxy Tab A 2019 tablet. So these are the little specs on the back, a pretty basic tablet. I'm just gonna have it mostly for just some YouTube watching and reading some other stuff. So yeah, I've already cut the little seals you get just so I wouldn't struggle on the video. So this is the actual tablet, pretty nice little presentation. Ooh, it's quite thin. It's like, so my last tablet was the original Nvidia Shield tablet. Well, not the original one, the second version, but yeah, so this is your charger. Let's see, how much is it? I can see it so well for the camera. So it's 3 amp. I don't know. It's one and a half amps. Okay. I don't know if this tablet has fast charging or not. So this is a Type C USB cable. Yep. Some earbuds that actually look kind of decent. You know. All right. Let's see what's in here. Probably just some little information. Yep. A SIM tool that in this case is not the LTE version. Yeah, just some information in there, so it's not really important. And that's about it for the box. I mean, we can just, yep, that is really it for the box. So let's just put that to the side and we have the tablet. So looks like we open it up on the back. So let me just do this real quick. Again, guys, this is just, a really quick little unboxing just so you guys know exactly what you're getting if you want to buy this tablet. I'm sort of struggling with one hand right now, but here we go. This is the tablet. It's gonna be kind of difficult getting it out. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So this is the tablet and it's looking very nice. Look at this thing. So the back is aluminum and these are plastic. You would also have antennas up here if you would go for the LTE version. I was originally going for the LTE version, but the thing is I've been waiting for over 2 weeks and they still have no idea when that would be in stock, so I just got this one. So it's pretty nice. Let's try to power it on, see if it has some juice. But yeah, definitely very happy with that big ass display. And yeah, I guess we can already put it into the case that I got for the tablet over 2 weeks ago. And yeah, there we go. It slides right in. Very nice. But yeah, guys, this is all. I just wanted to, do a quick unboxing of this tablet. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And this is it. Thanks for watching.